Good morning, students. Today we will study our exercise related to unit first. So these are your exercise. These are some MCQs question in which you have to take only one which is correct. So adjective exercise. He is than his neighbors. So he is than rich, richer, richest. There is comparison between neighbors. So the comparative degree will become richer. Richer will be our comparative degree. What is comparative? When there is comparison, that is comparative degree. The brides were much than the grooms. There are 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. First is positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative. The brides were much than the grooms. The bride means hoti dulhan, were much younger than the grooms, because there is comparison than bride and groom. So younger is comparative degree. When there is comparison, that is comparative degree, second wali degree. He is too to be taught. He is too intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. He is too intelligent to be taught. वो बहुत intelligent है, because there is no comparison. That's why positive degree will come intelligent. Fourth is he is than I thought him to be. He is clever, cleverer, cleverest. He is than. There is when there is then, जब then होता है, जब आपको then मिलता है comparative में, तो that is comparative degree. तो cleverer is a correct answer. When the old woman became, she began to move about. When the old woman became stronger, she began to move about. जब ओल्ड वुमेन स्ट्रॉन्गर बन गई, उसने मूव करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. ही इज मच नाउ. ही इज मच गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. ही इज मच बेटर नाउ. वो अब बहुत अच्छी है. मच बेटर. द ऑफर वॉज टू बी ट्रू. द ऑफर वॉज टू गुड टू बी ट्रू. He fishes with success than I do. He fishes with great success. There is comparison then. So greater. Shakespeare is the playwright in English. You have to correct the. There is Shakespeare is the greatest playwright in English. So that is superlative degree. The pain was than he could bear. The pain, वो दर्द इतना था, he could bear, इतना ज़्यादा था कि वो सह नहीं सकता था. So much more, most. Then there is then comparison. That's why more is correct degree. So comparative. The thing of all was that his son was rude to him. The worst thing, सबसे बुरी चीज, that of all that his son was rude, कि उसका son उसके लिए बहुत ही rude था उस पे. Jenny was the player of the two. Jenny was the good, better, best. Jenny was the best player. Next is the pain was more than he could bear. These are some answers. Next is these are nouns. These are the degrees of, sorry, these are the nouns. The book was lying on the table. Book is a common noun. Book is a proper. Book is a collective. There are 3 options. So which is correct? Book is a common noun, because book is same kind of thing. Love begets love. So love is abstract noun, because this is a feeling. We cannot live without water. Water is a common noun. Water is a material noun. Water is an abstract noun. We cannot water is abstract noun, because water is a water is a material noun, because water is substance. It is material noun. The jury has given its verdict. Jury is a collective noun, because it is a group of judges. The Hindus regard Krishna as an incarnation of God, Lord Vishnu. Hindus कृष्णा को एक विष्णु भगवान का अवतार मानते हैं. इनकारनेशन मीन्स अवतार. तो हिंदूज इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन, बिकॉज इट इज अ पर्टिकुलर रिलीजियन. Alcohol is injurious to health. तो health is a common noun. Health is an abstract noun. Health is a proper noun. Alcohol is injurious. So health is an abstract noun, because this is a quality or state. Smoking is a bad habit. So habit is habit is an abstract noun. Next is wild animals live in forest. Animals is a common noun. Animals is common noun. Correct answer is animal is common noun because animals is a same kind of animals. The childhood of Peter was full of misery. The childhood is abstract noun. This is because this is a state. Childhood, bachpan. All the girls were singing. Girls is a common noun. Girls is proper. Girls is an abstract. All the girls. Girls is common noun because this is a common name. So dear student, these are some your exercise you have to do in you have to do in your HW, and you have to do also practice. Thank you. Have a nice day.